I just love how I just entered the elevator, even though like I wasn't sure if people were gonna be here, but that's what Vlogmas does to you. So for lunch today, I'm going to make some bibimbap. Just gonna put some sesame oil because it gives more, it's not a neutral oil, so you can taste it in the ingredients that you will be using. Mushrooms from Trader Joe's that are sliced already, julienne carrots already. And yes, I'm lazy in that way as well. But yeah, basically bibimbap can be a dish. It's basically literal translation from Korean means, bibim means to mix, and then pap is rice. So it's basically like mixing any kind of ingredient you have with your rice. It's supposed to be one of the healthier dishes because there's so many veggies involved. It's just sesame oil, salt, and then just sweating the water out. I love watching cooking movies while I'm cooking, like in the background. Right now I'm watching Ratatouille, and I love it. I love Ratatouille. It's one of my favorite cooking movies. Okay, so I have some avocado oil, which is a neutral oil, so you can't taste the avocado. I'm melting a little bit of butter because I'm going to put my mushrooms in there. I love mushrooms lately. I've realized that they give you a really meaty taste. So that's sauce. So what I'm gonna do is make a little assembly line, you know? So right now we have the mushroom station, lettuce station, carrots, kimchi, and I'm gonna thaw some masago. And then essentially that will be our assembly line for the bibimbap. Yay! So now I'm going to marinate the brisket. Okay, this is where our fun begins, guys. So as you can see, I made my little assembly here. So I'm just doing toppings and making it beautiful and colorful. And this is the homemade kimchi I made that I was telling you guys about. It's so good. I used the plum extract that I got from Maeshilhood, and I really think that it helped in the flavor as well because it's just so fresh and you can taste the tardiness of the plum extract. So good. And this really is gonna be the sauce basically of the bibimbap because it's so flavorful and it's not too spicy, and it gives you that sweetness, sweet and savory kind of. That's what I like to do. Just a little bit. Ooh, salivating here. And then I'm gonna take my mushroom bowl. I'm gonna use up my cilantros. I'm gonna scoop this masago like ice cream. Look at this. And just sprinkle it. Alright, so let's move this in closer so you can take a better look. And this is the beef bulgogi with the brisket that I used. Bibimbap is all about plating. It has to look beautiful. Taste the rainbow, really, with your eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit more mushroom here because you can't really see it. A little bit more kimchi. Hi.
Hello.
Are you almost home?
No, fucking 6.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How many more minutes?
Probably like 20.
Oh, okay. I'll see you then. You must be so hungry.
Yeah.
Okay. I have food ready.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye. So as you can see, just preparing those veggies one time can prepare you a meal for the rest of the week. What I'm gonna do is top it at the end with quail egg yolk. And that's what I wanted to do. This is my outfit shot for today, for our date night. We finished the delicious, healthy bowl of bibimbap for dinner, and What else did I cook? Oh yeah, the kimchi seafood pancake was also delicioso. Spread the love, spread the love. Should I do this? Should I do this? I've never done this. I'm scared. Okay, okay. Whoa. So it's a Tuesday. We definitely like to use Tuesdays for the movie discount dates because the tickets are literally like $6 and then plus tax is like $8. So it's so worth it. And we're excited to go watch Adam Sandler's new movie, Uncut Gems. Uncut Gems. Uncut Gems. And I just love how I just entered the elevator, even though like I wasn't sure if people were gonna be here, but that's what Vlogmas does to you. We got a few new subscribers today, so it's been really encouraging for me. So thank you guys, the ones that subscribed today. You know who you are. Thank you so much. We love you. And all those that are already subscribed and hooked on the notifications, we appreciate you so much. We're really excited to continue and stay with us. Thank you. Now look who's sneaking in snacks in my bag. Mike packed Pepsi and some lychee gummy. Shout out to my sister for sending those to us. We love you. Thank you. Okay, we're at Westville Century City. It's such a nice mall here. Wow, $22 for a pretzel. Damn. I just found an AirPod right here. One of them. It went to Lost and Found. Yay, Mike got his popcorn. There's holiday mixes. Vanilla frost, raspberry. Oh man. Aww. Okay, we will see you guys after the movie. Oh my gosh, that was such a stressful movie, you guys. I'm not gonna say anything else other than that. We did enjoy it, no regrets of watching it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching another Vlogmas Stay With Me, and I really appreciate you guys liking, commenting, subscribing, all that helps. So I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys again so much, and stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. Good night! Ooh.